I am testing out my system here. I'm going to show you some fans. This is an axial fan. It's a 120 millimeter fan. This will flow a lot of air. It'll flow a great deal of air. This is a 60 millimeter fan. Another axial fan. This is a 90 millimeter fan. Notice that it's a 0.15 amp, 2000 RPM fan. This will flow a fair amount of air. Then we have these little 40 millimeter fans. I have power supply and a PWM controller. I have various leads, and then I have more fans to look at. Alright, so we looked at the axial fans. This is an axial fan. These are blower fans. And originally I looked at this one. This is a 10 CFM, very low amperage, 0.18 amps. This is a beefy little fan. It's called the DC-P-R-3. It is almost a 1 amp fan. This will blow some air. It has a difficult to deal with round port, but it's one of the fans that we will look at. Then we have the UTO 120 millimeter fan. There's some of the data. It's a big fan, lots of places to bolt that down. Then we have this fan. This is the 10025. All right, so all of these fans are blower fans. If you want to move air down a tube, the axial fan will not do the job for you. The blower fan is what you're looking for. The hot wire anemometer. If you want to measure airflow, you need what's called an anemometer. And there are two general styles. One is a vane anemometer and one is a hot wire anemometer. So I will show you the probe end of my hot wire anemometer here. Now, of all the stuff you see here, this right here is the hot wire anemometer. And it uses a probe like this that typically has an arrow on it. And it has a temperature measurement device and a very sensitive instrument. It heats a wire up, and then as air flows by it, it tries to cool it so it knows how much air is flowing by, but how much energy it takes to keep that bead at a stable temperature. So these are very good when you have small ducts or small tubes that you want to see the airflow in. Now this will give you airflow in feet per minute, meters per second, and many other velocity. You take the velocity of the air and you apply the cross-sectional area of your duct, and you can calculate the volumetric flow rate.
Smokeless chimney, warm homes and clean air for everyone. www.smokelesschimney.com